Recycle bottles, emotion flashcards. Big H, little I. Hi! First, you make one big rectangle, and then inside of that big rectangle, you make 3 mini rectangles. And then you make another mini rectangle down, and you have to make sure it's the exact same size as the rectangles inside the big rectangle.
You have to make it the same size, and you're
First,
sketching.
then sketch Sadness.
Oh, and now we're doing it with marker.
And we're making Sadness today, so we're making her body and clothes a kind of a sad look.
We're making sad, so you can follow along.
And we're sketching it a bit.
This one, see, it's sad.
And the mini rectangle is where we're gonna put our other rectangles, which we will soon write other things that say some other type of sad. During this time, think of some words that would describe sad.
Now we're making the headband and the shirt.
Now write the words you thought of on the other mini rectangles.
Unhappy, awful, empty, gloomy.
And then erase your pencil marks, if you even made them. And then you can start to color your hair and body. My mom's using markers and colored pencils for this, but you can use crayons or any other type you like.
These are the emotion cards, the flashcards. When I was like a baby size, then I needed these cards, so my mom made them. And now we're coloring.
More coloring. Sorry, it takes a bit. After we're coloring lightly over with some nice sketchy pencil.
You can do this with marker, and you can do
Cute.
crayon or color pencil.
We're coloring our beautiful squirrels in. Outline the things, so if you mix them up, it's easy to find, because this way you can just match it and it'll be easier to do.
For the emotion, because sad, it's gray, right?
And it's very important to cut the hands, because that's where you're gonna slip in the words.
The hands have to be popping out.
And then cut the top off of a bottle. It doesn't matter what type of bottle. And then take some tape and take it around the sharp edge, because you don't want it to be sharp, and
Fold it.
You're probably
Fold
gonna
it.
give this to your child, and you don't want them to get paper cut, or in other words, plastic cuts. And then put tape.
Now you're gonna tape the sides and put it around the bottle, and there we go.
Secure it. And then you can put in your words.
These are the emotion cards. Awful. Empty.
And then, since the bottle, you can put them all in. So it's like a really nice place to store all of your things. And happy is another one that we made beforehand. And here's angry.
And blue is for angry, right? Oh, and the cutting is important, because when you're mad, you have crazy hair, right? Yes, you do.
Hair has just blown up. Because when you're angry, you don't know what's happening, but suddenly you just blow up at someone. That happens a lot.
And now we're cutting them the fast way.
And now you retape it on.
Same thing with the sad.
Secure.
Tape it
Don't forget to match it up.
again.
And then bend it so it actually looks like it's blown up. And you don't have to do it exactly the same. You can do it however you like. Annoyed. Mad. Pretty simple.
make sure you make the colors of the emotion cards because you won't know which one is which. These are the ones. You made it. Boom.
And these are our 3 bottle flashcards.
There we go.
And you can make other characters such as calm, tired, and scared. And you can make cool ones, whatever you like.
Bye. See you in another episode in BigHLI.com. Playful learning, paper, toys, and art.